Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are going to dive into the topic of test anxiety, a common issue many students face that can greatly impact their academic performance. Test anxiety is a type of performance anxiety that occurs before or during an exam or test. It can manifest in physical symptoms such as sweating, trembling, increased heart rate, and even panic attacks. Furthermore, test anxiety can also lead to negative thoughts, self-doubt, and a fear of failure. This can greatly hinder a student's ability to perform well in an exam, regardless of their level of preparation. Some common symptoms of test anxiety include difficulty concentrating, feeling overwhelmed, excessive worry, and a sense of impending doom. Students may also experience irritability, restlessness, and insomnia leading up to a test. It is important for parents and teachers to recognize these symptoms and intervene early to help the students cope with their anxiety. Parents play a crucial role in helping their children overcome test anxiety. One way to support them is by creating a calm and conducive study environment at home. Encouraging healthy study habits such as regular breaks, adequate sleep, and balanced meals can help alleviate test anxiety. Additionally, parents can work with their children to develop effective study strategies and coping mechanisms, such as relaxation techniques and positive self-talk. Teachers can also play a significant role in supporting students with test anxiety, providing clear expectations and feedback, offering extra help sessions, and creating a supportive and inclusive classroom environment can help reduce students' anxiety. Teachers can also offer alternative evaluation methods such as open book exams or project-based assessment or alleviate the pressure of traditional testing. In conclusion, test anxiety is a real issue that many students face, but with the support of parents and teachers, it can be managed and overcome.
So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.